Hi, this is Sue from the library. I'm going to show you how to find quality information. I'll just share my screen now. I'll just do an acknowledgement of country. The University of the Sunshine Coast acknowledges the traditional custodians on the land on which we live, work and study. We pay our respects to local Indigenous elders past, present and emerging, and recognise the strength, resilience and capacity of all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people. The objectives of this resource to find information, we're going to cover analysing a topic, developing a search strategy, applying the search strategy using library search, and evaluating the information found. In order to show you the library search, I'm going to use a topic, and today's topic is what are the benefits of exercise for students? Analysing the topic, I've got three important words there, three ideas: benefits, exercise, and students. Benefits of exercise could be social, physical health, mental health, well-being, and I've spelt well-being in two different ways. Exercise could be sport, physical activity, team sports, or movement. And students could be from university, school, TAFE, or college. Here's some connector words that will make your search more effective. So, and narrows your search. You can have teenager and study, or broadens your search because either term is present. So I've got football or soccer or rugby, and not narrows by excluding a term, sport, not high intensity training. Search tips: phrase searching keeps it together. Look at those double quotation marks. You can limit to peer reviewed, and you can also limit to the last 5 years. The search strategy for today is I'm looking at well-being, spelt two different ways. So well-being in quotation marks, or mental health, and physical activity or sport or movement, and university student. And just escaping from there, I'm going to, from the uni page, I'm going to the library. We've got the library search just here. This is library search. I'm just going to log into search. And then I'm going to advanced search. And I put in my search strategy, which is well-being or well-being or mental health. And then in the next field, I'm just putting in physical activity or sport or movement. And just see, with each of these, I'm linking with or, and from here, I'm linking with the connector word and. I'm adding a new line, and I want the connector there to be and I want university student. And then from that, I'm going to click on search. I've got some search results. I want to limit first to peer reviewed. And then I want to change the date range to the last 5 years. So I'm just typing in 2020 and then click on refine. And from that, I get some searching results, such as the second one there. It's a journal article, it's peer reviewed, and it's from 2022. Okay, so that's how to search. I'm now going back to the presentation, and it's important to evaluate the information that you've found. So look at the author of it. Is the author from a university? Are the authors listed? Is the article relevant to my research question? The date range. Is the information current or appropriate for my topic? Is the article peer-reviewed? And does it have a reference list? And for more help, please use Library Chat. You can book an appointment with a librarian, and there's also library guides available from the library homepage. Thank you.